welcome to Brothers Create. Today we are going to level up our pea shooter from the previous video. We are going to make Gatling Pea from Plants vs. Zombies 2. To make the Mega Gatling Pea, we will need some paper clips, a few of these tools, pliers, and of course, clay. Let's get started. First, going to roll a ball of tin or aluminum foil. And then we will get our clay. We just wrapped our aluminum or tin foil ball with green clay, and this will be the head for Mega Gatling Pea. Next, we are going to make a small part of his neck. Next, we are going to take our pliers and cut the paper clip. Next, we are going to make his base. Gatling Pea. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing if you want to help us grow our channel. And this is how I made Mega Gatling Pea. And please do check out my previous video about how to make pea shooter if you haven't yet. Bye bye!